Did you know that in Europe, as well as the rest of the world, the number of recorded natural disaster events such as floods, droughts, landslides, and wildfires have increased sixfold in the last 25 years? Connected extreme events are becoming more frequent under the effects of climate change, creating unprecedented challenges on a global scale. As a young European company with a strong international network, such as the European Space Agency, United Nations, and Luxembourg Institute of Science and Technology, RSS Hydro is helping to create a more sustainable world through innovation in geospatial technologies. We use the newest advances in computer models, machine learning, and remote sensing technologies to develop science-based services and geospatial products for water-related hazards such as floods. Our multidisciplinary team includes internationally recognized scientists specialized in different topics, and together we actually speak more than 6 languages. RSS Hydro helps clients and society mitigate present and future hydrometeorological risks under changing climate with the Sustainable Development Goals always in mind.